Today what we're going to look at is the Ranktracker's keyword finder. Now this is a sort of like a keyword research tool also, because it's also going to show you like volumes, the difficulty of ranking for keywords. And as you can see in the top here, the keyword finder has the best keywords from a database of over billions of keywords that they have listed right here. We're going to go over the front part here. So let's get started on one real quick. So let me do one that I've already done, content writer. All right, and I want to do it in, let's do United States. Okay, so choose United States, and it's giving me the option also what language I want to choose this in, and let's just stick with English, and then let's do a search. Okay, so it has brought back some keywords, and so what I'm gonna do is gonna go over this top part right here so you can know what all this data means here. So the keyword, that's just basically it's bringing back related keywords to what you typed in, and then you got the location. So it's got the location of search engines that are tracking. So that's in the United States, and then you got the search here, which is search for similar keywords in Keyword Finder. And then you got the KD, which is the keyword difficulty. It estimates how hard it would be to rank in the top organic search, Google search results for a given keyword. And then you got the trend. So it's going to show you the trend search in the last 12 months. This information is pretty valuable right here. And then you got the search volume, which represent the average monthly number of searches for the keyword in the selected country. And then you got the CPC, which basically is the cost per click, and you got the PPC, which is the pay per click. And then you got more information right here. I love this information here. It's showing you the trend. Let me click on this real quick. I really want to show you this. So it has the history volume of the keyword. So what it does, you can see here back in March 31st of 2021, it was at 260, kind of dropped a little bit down here in April, and then this came all the way up to 390 in July. It peaked at what is this? Peaked at October 2021, and then it kind of just leveled back out as the months went by there. So this information is I would say very helpful when you're doing your keyword research, because you really don't want to get a keyword and you only find out that it may be trending for a couple of months out of the year, or you look and see that it's on a real downward trend and it's about to fall off, the search volume is going down. So this is why this is very helpful when you're doing your keyword research. It's to look at the trend of that keyword and see how the search volume is doing all year around. So that's very helpful right there. All right, so let's scroll down, look at some of the keywords here. Now we basically went over everything just about, and if you ever come into a keyword and you just see this like a search button right here, and it's not giving you an actual KD score, only thing you have to do is just click on that and it'll give you a score on that. Let's just check that out. Okay, so it gave us a score of 43, so that's kind of fairly maybe all right to go after, not too hard. But the search volume is very low, so I really wouldn't target this. But if you look at the trend here, look, it does look like the trend is going up here. But the search volume is just a little too low for me. All right, so when we scroll down here, you got this gear on the side here. When you click that, what it does is it's going to give you these option to get rid of some information, some tables on there that you're looking at. Like if I click on the pay-per-click, the PPC competition right here, if you look closely on this side right here, this information is going to disappear. So you click that, this depends on what research you're doing. If you need it, if you don't need it, then you can just remove it if it's a distraction to you. So that's what that does. So I'm gonna hit close on that. And this basically, that's it. And also, if you want to like keep a track of certain keywords you think is valuable, you can put them on a list. And let's say if I click this and it says add to a list right here, so I can just click this here, and then I've already got one available here that I've done earlier. So if I click that, you know, it could go inside there, or you can even create a new list, or you can even search for your list that's up there. So that's how the lists work. All right. And you got the option to export this data. So, you know, you can click on that and download it as a CSV file. And if you're searching for certain keywords, you can come over here and just type in the keyword. You can search for that. And let's go over here to the filters. When you click on the filters, now I do like this word counts here because I think it's very useful if you are maybe just looking for long tail keywords. You can just type, you can just click the button here for 4 words, like a 5 words plus, and then you got the KD here. So if you want to go off of some easy keywords, then you can just put a minimum and max right there, and then the search volume of it. You know, you want to make sure you get enough people searching for that keyword to go after it. You know, you don't want to waste any time. And then you got the CPC, so you know what the cost per click is. You know, so if you're planning on running some ads, you're gonna know by basically what somebody's paying for it. And then you got the, you know, the PPC right there. So all this information is very valuable, you know, when you're doing your research, or if you're trying to rank in it organically, or if you're even doing paid traffic. All the data is right here for you. And so you just, once you have that information filled in, you just hit apply right there, and it'll bring back that data for you. All right, so I'm gonna click off of that, and that is about it there. Now, you know, keyword tools, you know, they can get expensive at times. You know, you can pay in with like from 50 maybe to $100 a month. But Ranktracker has a deal going on with AppSumo, and we're gonna jump over there with a lifetime deal for $149. So this is a pretty good deal if you're trying to look for a keyword tool, do some keyword research, and get some data on, you know, if it's what's the cost per click, how much how much I'm gonna be going to spend on doing paying with paid ads. And this can bring back the data for you, and you don't really have to pay monthly fees for that. You can just pay this uh, one time fee right here and be done, and have this data for you. Now, as you can see, it's right here. Is that we're looking at what's the keyword finder here. You can find some of the best keyword opportunities by searching their up-to-date global database right here. So when I scroll down, what we was just going over was the monthly keyword finder lookup. So you on here it's saying 100 right here. So you get 100 right here. So you could do 100 searches a month, you know, finding keywords to try to rank for. Or if you're doing paid traffic, you can just look that up too also. So I think this is a pretty good deal, you know, for what they're offering here. And if you like to jump on this, I'm gonna have a link in the description below. Check that out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.